What's going on, YouTube? Here working on my 2002 Toyota Sequoia. I haven't showed you all my heated garage space yet. Pretty stoked to be in here out of the trailer. Got the same wood stove in here. She's getting toasty. It's a nice fall day out there. Got the XLT parked up, ready to rip when it dumps. A little dusting of snow on the ground, but it's still early. It ain't November 1st yet. We got a big trailer over there that used to be my workshop. A little trailer right there. Anyways, this is the pulley for the belt tensioner. Went bad, probably the original. Who knows? Replaced it 2 years ago with this Gates part. Tensioner now went bad. The spring, pulley's fine. Through the lifetime warranty, I'm replacing it with this. Another YouTuber, Leo, pointed out that the pulleys on these two Gates parts are different. So he's walking all over Kingdom Come trying to find this. Kind of like old warehouse stock, even though this is the part that Gates is now going to be supplying, because he thinks, oh, it ain't going to work, or he tried it and it didn't work. But I'm going to go with the professional engineers who are saying this is, the new replacement. This is going to work fine. This is the obsolete part. We no longer make these anymore. Yes, I see that the pulley size is different, but yeah, I'm sure that Gates has it figured out and that this is going to work just fine. They compensated for the smaller wheel in some other way. Maybe the position of it's the exact same. So if your belt's coming around here, doesn't really matter if the wheel's bigger. I don't know, but I'm going to go with the professionals on this one. They know what they're doing, so we're going to install that, trusting it's going to work just fine. Real quick, just want to show you the minimum to do this job. You don't have to follow 1A Auto TRQ video and take off every last thing, the air box, the radiator, the fan, blah blah blah. I did pull off the top radiator hose just to get the fan shroud out, and then I'm working around the fan the entire time. Can be done, so save yourself the extra time and effort and just do the minimum. Pull the power steering pump forward, drop your alternator down, just rest it down there. I've not laid on the ground once for this entire video. My little brush guard, whatever you want to call that, bottom plate thing is still on. Yeah, so there's the hardware I've taken off. You do have to take off this middle timing belt cover. Loosen up the left one, pull it forward. That'll pop off. This was actually quite a pain in the butt to finally get out of there, but anyways, I'm standing up. Back's a little sore from leaning over, but definitely beats laying on the ground and taking off 47,000 things that you don't need to. So just wanted to show you the minimum to get the job done.